happy video day, guys. So today's video, we're going to be jumping into the world of Colourpop and we're going to be trying out the Jelly Much eyeshadows. I'm super excited to try these out. As you guys can tell, I already have them on my eyes right now, and I have a double eye look because I wanted to try both of them out, and I also tried another look using them as a liner and also as a base. So we've got a bunch of looks trying these out. We're going to talk about what I think about them. Let's just get right into the video. So if you guys are new here, my name is Christina Brooke and this is the GLAMRANCH. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of the GLAMRANCH family, and hit the notification bell because that's the way that you'll see my videos. Otherwise, you might not see them. I'm just going to tell you guys straight off the bat, these things are really freaking cool. If you guys are in the market for one of these jelly type of eyeshadows that really does a punch on your eyes, I think that these are a great option. They are very inexpensive. I will put a price up here because I don't know off the top of my head how much they cost, but I know that they didn't cost that much. They are beautiful products. I love the way they look on my eyes. I have not worn them for full days. I will have a full review up later on and let you guys know what I think of these after wearing them for multiple days. But for right now, guys, these are really, really cool. So I'm going to jump into showing you guys how I came up with these different eye looks so you guys can quickly see me using these products, them working in action. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to jump right back on here and let you guys know a few little thoughts that I'm having and little things that I noticed about this product that are like positives and negatives. So let's just go ahead and jump into all of these things right now. Of course, my entire face is done. I just didn't put on mascara, and I try not to put too much product on my eyes. I did put concealer on my eyes, and that's about it. So let's jump into this package that I got from Colourpop. Okay, so they look like this. They come in this cute little packaging that says Jelly Much. You guys can see I got this one, which is Once and Floral. I got this one here, which is another one, says Jelly Much on one side, and on the other side it says FAQS. I have no idea how to put these on. So let's see what they look like. I am super excited, like just to like see these. Ooh, that is so cute. Look how pretty that, oh my gosh, that is such a cute packaging. Look at the two, look how pretty these colors are. I thought these were super fall, very on trend, and I hope that they look okay. So I guess you're supposed to keep this closed. It says keep me. Oh my god, that's so weird. Look at that. That's so strange. Oh my goodness. This one here is FAQS. This is the other color that I got. Ugh. Let me open up this thing here. Oh my gosh, that is so, oh my gosh, look at that color, guys. I have no idea how to apply these. I should have watched somebody else's video on this, but I didn't. I'm going to use this what is this? An F70 concealer brush from Sigma to apply this. So let's start first with this color here, Once and Floral. But look, this is such a cool, look at that, that's so jelly, it's so weird. It's literally gel. I have a mirror closer up because I can't see good. And let's see how this works. Oh my gosh. That's pretty neat. It actually almost looks like it has a gradient effect to it. So far, I'm impressed with the fact that it's easy to apply, but it doesn't feel like it's moving around so much that it's difficult to use. You know what I mean? Because like if it moved around too much, then it would be like getting all over the lid. And I don't feel like it's doing that. I feel like it's applying really nicely. I feel like I can build it up so far. That is pretty neat. I'm going to jump into this color here. I'm going to try making a thin line with this. Like, that's really cool. What I find really cool about this is that it's not moving around. Like it's literally drying, but it's so easy to apply. The reason I'm doing like an artsy eye look is really to test this out because, you know, if it was a bad consistency that moved around a lot, I would not be able to draw this line so easily, and I wouldn't also be able to mix the colors together. So the reason I'm doing something a little bit more out there, not only is fun eyeliner like this in for the fall, but also it's a good way to really test this out and see like how well does this really perform, because if it can do this, it definitely is good. Like I'm pretty impressed right now. So now I rubbed off most of the product, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can do your eyes like a little bit more normal and less dramatico. So what I just did is I went ahead and decided that I wanted to use 2 different colors on each one of my eyes because I wanted to have different eye looks, but I know that these 2 colors combined can be a little bit difficult to wear together. So on one side of my eyes, I decided to do more of a yellow brown tone. So by grabbing into the darker browns to kind of define the outer edge, I was able to come up with this like darker brown kind of outer edge. And then by throwing on this yellow mustard color, the inner half of my eye, and then mixing it in again with the brown on the outer corner, I was able to come up with this really cool smoky brown eye. And then on the other side, I wanted to play with the dark burgundies and the purples. So what I did was grabbed a really dark burgundy, kind of mixed it a little bit with brown to make it even darker, and used that to define my outer edge. And then by putting this beautiful bright burgundy in the innermost part of my eye, so that's the way I was able to come up with this multicolored look. I do actually like the way that they look together because of the colorations of them, this burgundy and this like kind of mustard color. They look really good together. So I like them put together as well. I think that you can wear the jellies together, but I personally think that it's a lot better to just use one single color as a spotlight for the center of your eye or as a main eye, but I don't think you could mix like a bunch of them together. I just don't like it. Then finally, I just wanted to try blending it together with a blending brush just to see if I can like blend the 2 kind of shadows together, and don't do this. Don't use a blending brush. It felt like it kind of like muddied out the color. It disappeared. It didn't look good anymore, and I really don't like it how it looked when it was blended. And because it was a little dry and it still got a little bit messy, I am going to tell you guys I'm going to have to keep on wearing these and just make sure that they don't move around. They didn't feel like they would move around, but I was able to blend that out really easily. So now what I find the most impressive about this, putting it on for the first time, is that when you put it on, it like literally smears really, really easily, but it kind of like attaches. So you can like, you have to kind of move around the product quickly because it does dry down, but I don't feel like it's impossible to use. It's like very simple to use. Like you put it on, it starts to dry pretty quickly, and then you just continue to put more and more. And then I did layer on top of the existing one a little bit more, and it layered on pretty fine too. Nice. I think that they have a few different colors. There's some fun colors. There's a little bit more subtle colors. I would say I love the colors that I picked because I really think that they're 2 beautiful colors. They can work really well together, but also on their own, they could be really, really pretty. I really love the burgundy kind of color for the entire lid. I love this color to use more like a spotlight, which is probably what I would have done typically. Just put the burgundy and then just spotlight it in the middle with this one. But I wanted to do something different. I actually really like these as liners too. If you guys want to have like colorful liners, these might be a really good option for you because they work beautifully as a liner as well. These are the types that you apply with your finger with a flat brush, let it sit in place and let it dry, and don't play with it. If you want to blend, you only blend the edges. You don't blend the whole color, because if you blend the whole color, it's just gonna disappear and look horrible. Now, one more thing I just want to point out to you guys, just so you guys know, this product is a little bit messy. Like for example, it's like all over my brush, it's like a little bit all over my table, but I think this is gonna happen with any of these kind of jelly products. If you guys don't like products that are very messy, then I would tell you skip out on this because it definitely is pretty messy. Like I have it like everywhere at this point. I kind of think that this product is going to stay in place. I'm pretty excited to keep on using it. This is a really neat product. I really enjoy it a lot. I do know a lot of these jelly type of like toppers and kind of like eyeshadows are in right now. So I definitely think if you guys want a cheap option that I think has amazing quality, I really like these Colourpop ones. I love how pigmented they are. This product 2 thumbs up. I think you guys should definitely try it out, especially if you're in the market for this type of product. Of course, like always guys, this is just a first impression. There will be a full review coming soon. I'll let you guys know a little bit more information on what I'm thinking about this product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me your thumbs up, leave me your comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.